Hey guys, thanks for joining me on another episode of Jack's Mechanics. Just going to show you how to do a cabin filter. This is a Subaru Forester. This is 2020 model, FB25, non-turbo. So first things first, it is behind the glove box. We'll pop our glove box down and we have our strut on the left there. Pop our strut off and we just need to squeeze the tabs in of the glove box, which can be a little bit difficult again with one hand. So you get that down and you can slide those off. Something important to note is these pieces on the glove box have flat ends up the top, so the glove box can only go on one way. We'll pull this out, which is right here. So throw that in the bin, and we've got our Westville number here, WACF 0262. So we just want to literally pop that one back in, just like that. Make sure it's sitting in there. And then our glove box, you want to slide it on to the flats, rotate it up, push that on, and then pop our strap back on. Make sure it works. Happy days. If that helped you out in any way, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.